The Bell You Forgot to Ring, the story of Miriam E. Benjamin. Starring Miriam E. Benjamin. Also co-starred with a little curious girl named Ava, a fictional character.
Miss Benjamin, what's that shiny thing?
Something I invented, Ava. Back in 1888, I called it the Gong and Signal Chair. One press of a button, and help would come. No yelling, no waving, just dignity.
Wow! Like the call buttons on airplanes?
Exactly. But they don't say my name when they talk about it. I was the second black woman to receive a U.S. patent. But in those days, being black and a woman, they'd rather forget you existed. I taught, I composed music, I created, even when the world refused to see me.
But I see you, Miss Benjamin.
And that's why I tell you my story. Miriam, I want you to have this button. Also, the advice I want to share with you is this. Let no one silence your brilliance. Share our stories. They tried to erase them then, and they still try now. But we are the proof, and we are still here. Keep telling the stories they tried to bury. At Black History Daily.